Go.
Hi everyone! Welcome to my set, and I'm here to talk about our 10-inch honing steel from Kitchen Pro. You know, a good honing steel is essential for keeping knives sharp and always ready when you want to use it, so you never have a dull knife in the cooking process, as it will be quite dangerous, it will lead to accidents, and it will not be efficient when you do your cutting. Depending on your use, honing may be required daily, weekly, or bi-monthly. A knife must be honed regularly. To ensure its sharpness, Kitchen Pro 10-inch honing steel requires a nice sharp edge by having it smooth and realigning the blades and the cutting edge to help it stay sharper longer. This is easy to store in the kitchen and long enough to put in your chef's bag and to come up and pair off with the other knives. Kitchen Pro honing steel, truly the culinary standard.